security laws in this country, how are we actually going to protect data of the citizens?
As a country, India is clueless of how it's going to protect the data of its own citizens. Why? Because even till today, this evening, India does not have a dedicated cyber security law. India does not have a dedicated data protection law. We don't have a privacy law. So what exactly do we have? We have a cocktail of vacuums that do not provide any effective remedy to the affected persons. So your investigation that your channel has conducted has once again reiterated the existing ground reality which has been writ large on the wall for anyone to see. It's only the government and the UIDAI who are wanting to adopt an ostrich kind of an approach in saying that no, we are 100% secure. First and foremost, let me begin by saying that there is no system in the world that's 100% secure. There's nothing known as foolproof security. So what are we talking about Aadhaar being foolproof? You have to quickly realize that in terms of Aadhaar, we are actually sitting on top of a volcano which is about to burst as far as India as a nation is concerned. And we are oblivious of what we are doing. We are only talking about trying to justify a broken system that does not work. Today, it's a child's play to go and hack into the Aadhaar system per se. Now, Aadhaar is not normal information. One of your panelists said that Aadhaar number is no secret information. Sorry. Aadhaar number is your sensitive personal data. It's intrinsically connected with your biometric information. And that being so, there are huge kind of precautions that are required to be adopted for the purposes of protecting Aadhaar. Now, when we enacted the Aadhaar Act in the year 2016, we began with the premise that Aadhaar will be voluntary. However, thereafter the government changed mid-course directions and said it's now going to be mandatory. So what started happening was that while the Aadhaar number was based in the central identities data repository for whose security the law was talking about, an ecosystem started developing around Aadhaar because income tax was getting connected to Aadhaar, bank numbers were getting connected, telephone numbers were getting connected. So this ecosystem is completely unsafe. Nobody is talking about cyber security. So in a scenario like this, earlier it used to be small breaches that happened last year. 14.4 lakh Aadhaar numbers were actually leaked out from a Jharkhand government website. But this kind of expose that was done by Tribune yesterday, and your kind of investigations that your channel has done and which you've shown in your program, clearly show the damage is far, far more worse. It's,
all right, Pavan Duggal, we're going to come to you. We're going to come to you in a bit.
And I think the government...
Right, I'm going to come to you because what we're going to talk about...